I mean, here's Becca trying to move the shelf.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Ow, my finger's caught in there. Hold on. I gotta get this. This is really heavier than it looks.
What the heck is she doing? Okay,
This
hello.
may take all day. Ready?
Yeah, hurry up, there's only 1 minute and 9 seconds left. Okay, what the heck? Ah, don't hit me.
Where am I moving this to?
Your room.
Oh my god, this is so heavy. Okay, ready?
Oh, it's gonna fall.
Oh!
Hold on, I have to get over. Oh! A nice crack. What the heck is she doing? What the heck is she doing?
Oh my god, it's falling.
You have like less than 1 minute left, or like 10 seconds, 20 seconds.
Please stop!
Yeah, in like 20 seconds.
Watch it breaks.
That'd be fun. Then it all falls on your head.
Oh, I think it did break. Alright, wait, I'm almost done.
Just 2 seconds.